Hello guys, this is Brian. Good morning. Yes, once again, I will do a continuation of our series about hedging strategy. Okay, actually, this type of hedging is the title is trading without charts. Yeah, uh, and using hedge as your signal provider, high chance of winning. Okay, it's a very bold claim, guys, but I tell you how to do it. Okay, this is more suitable for parents who are actually working, who are mothers who actually don't have any time to look at the chart, wait out, don't want to be glued in their monitor, and then the fathers who are actually working outside and wants to do part-time trading in forex, right? But they still want to win. Okay, this is probably the most ideal strategy for you. Okay, how to trade without charts. Okay, as we know already, the market moves up and down, right? Always up and down, up and down, and price react on each level, right? Each level. Okay, from this point of view, okay, I have draw the levels already. Each peak, as I told you before, right? This is the fair area value. Area value means many buyers and many sellers entering on this position on this exact point of the price to into which uh, they think the price will go up or going down, right? This is the exact place. Not all price are same. Actually, you see this area 4005. Many people are watching here, meaning, okay. But this peak, this area is not so many, right? 4030, but still a peak, right? And then again 4060, many people are watching here. 4090, not that so much, right? And so on and so forth. Okay, so we know price works not same as everywhere. Okay, there's a certain number, certain price level that is really like busy, or many people are actually doing transactions in that level, and some are not. Okay, so we mark those. This so we mark those in our chart, and I'm using a volume profile here. I mark those which are the peaks, right here, 4,000 here, 4,030, 4,060, 4,090, and so on. Okay, right now we are at the Asian session. We still at Asian session, nearing London opening. Okay, nearing the London opening, and we are waiting, right? Seems like the price wants to go to 4,060, right? So okay, what will I do before, let's say, London session will open if I am from Asia and I don't want to watch the chart? Okay, let us say I will close this charting, this pricing charting. Okay, how can I work? How can I work even without chart? Okay, even without gluing my eyes in the monitor itself. Okay, okay, now I can use hedging method. Okay, as you all guys already know, hedging means you place buy and you place sell at the same time, so that wherever the market will go, uh, you can wherever the market will go, you will win on any side. Okay, that is why it is very powerful in using trading in forex or any other market. Okay, and many people, many banks or many professional trader are using this technique. Okay, now I will try to show you another technique for hedging. Okay, from here, let's say from this morning, right? Right now we are. I show you the price. Right now we stop at 4047, right? 4047. I know the nearest area probably London will use is around 4060. Okay. So, what will I do? I will place pending buy and pending sell on that area. Okay, let's say here I pending buy. Okay? My target is on the next fair area value in which 4090, okay? And then on my stop loss, this time I will use stop loss because this is different from my original strategy, okay? Let's say I am ready to lose here $750, right? But here I will try to gain 1,950, okay? If the buy works, I will lose only $750. Wait, let me squeeze this. Yes, something like this. Yeah. Oh wait, I need to fix my position. Yes, 959. Sorry, the stop is 9.59. Okay. Now I will. This is pending order buy. Okay, guys, because the price is still on the below. Okay. Now I will place pending order in the sell side. Okay, before London. Okay, or New York. Okay, for me to be able to use the hedge as my advantage. Okay, for my advantage. Okay, same lot. I will use same lot and same more lower target area, or yeah, like this. You see, the amount is 1,700 here, the target. The stop loss is around risk, let's say here, right? My stop is 9.53, right? So I should do the same also here, something like this, 9.53. Okay, yeah, something like this. Yeah, and my target is on the next fair area value. Okay, just like this one, the buy next target is 4090, and then my sell is target is 4030. Okay, the goal here is only to have match up distance of your stop loss, right? This stop loss and this stop loss should be same distance. Okay, do not add, and the lot size of your buy and your sell should be same as well. Okay, but the target should be 3 times more than your stop loss itself, so that you can win in here. Okay, and this is a very high chance of winning. You might win daily on this, right? One time in a day transaction, and you can win every day and do it daily. Okay, I will give you. Okay, now I will show you the rules. Okay, now I will show you. I have typed the rules already here. First, we find the fair area value and market, in which it was here, right? This was the volume profile already, right? I already marked the peaks in this chart. Okay, here, and so on and so forth. Okay, place pending buy order and pending sell order on the area at same time. Okay, so we place the buy and sell order, right? This time we both use same stop loss, same pips as both. So meaning to say, whatever the distance in here must be the same distance as here, right? So we allow the price to wiggle. So we know we allow the price to wiggle, right? The target of each order is 3 times more on each buy or sell, right? So this distance, meaning to say this stop loss distance should be 3 times. That is your target. Okay, this one is same, should be 3 times. Okay, use the same lot for both buy and sell. So we are using the same lot. Okay, now I will show you what the benefit for this. Okay, let's say right now price quote lower, right? The price quote lower. Okay, the price quote lower, right? We are here, right? At this point, the price quote lower, right? Later on, maybe around New York or London, the price will come back on this area. But we don't know the price, where will go. Is it going to up or going down, right? This is the reason why we place hedge. Okay? So let's say it reach here, right? our order, the pending buy and the pending sell has triggered and it become active, right? The price will play on both sides on this area because this is a fair area value, as I said, right? The price will play on this area, right? Once it broke out, yeah, that's the real signal. Let's say tonight it go buy, right? From this point, it go buy, and he went to 4090. This sell order will be triggered and loss, okay? But this buy win, right? Okay. How to cover the losses on the sell, right? That is where the 3 times target come from, right? At first in the beginning, let's say the buy has been executed and win, right? So we will close this and sell has been closed, right? At first, on this area, somewhere like this here, the same distance, right? You are just break even in your buy because you have a loss in your sell, same distance, right? But for here, in here, you already win. Okay, now you already win the 3 for your daily target. Why? Because the target is covering itself. Covering itself the other positions lost. Okay, the very bad thing to happen here is if the price play on 4060 and hit both stop. Okay, once it happens like that, if the price hit both stop, your buy and sell, don't trade, do it on the next day. Okay, so because you have lost twice already, but you can gain it back again on the next day. Okay, do not trade again. So I hope it can help you guys who trade part-time in forex or any other market, right? I hope this one can help you to stay your position, even you're just doing part-time in the market. Okay, even you're just doing it part-time or trying to learn new, I think this is more usable for you to use. As you can see, Hedge is very powerful. He is very flexible than actually putting at stop loss on one side, right? Because doing one side means you are really sure it will happen. But most of the times we are not, right? That is why we place buy and sell orders at that level. Okay? I hope you guys find this very useful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And please always participate in a Forex Factory Wolf Trading Strategy trading group, right? This is where our insight we always put in there. We always display it in there. Our result we always display it in there. Okay, please participate with us. Okay, shout out to everybody who is watching right now and have a good day. Thank you to all.